children.
Hello, children. Today I will tell you about trees in computer science. They are special data structures that resemble the trees growing in our park. They have a trunk, branches, and leaves. In computer science, a tree consists of nodes connected to each other, with one main node called the root. Each node can have its children, which are smaller nodes, just like branches that split into smaller twigs. By a large tree, the kitten was talking to the frog about trees in computer science. The kitten thought that since they are trees, they must grow in the computer and need to be watered so they do not dry out. The frog wondered if there could be computer birds living in a computer tree. I later explained to them that computer trees do not grow in computers. They do not need watering, and there are no birds living in them. These trees only help organize information. At the playground, the ladybug was explaining to the guinea pig that she uses trees when building websites. She said that trees help her arrange the website's menu, where each node is a different subpage. The guinea pig gave an example of testing applications, where trees help her quickly find errors. I then explained to them in detail that a computer tree helps organize content so that it is easier to find specific information. On the flower meadow, the sparrow and the bee were playing. I decided to check their knowledge and ask them what they know about trees in computer science. The sparrow replied that trees are structures that resemble a family with one parent at the top and children below. Each node can have its own children, down to the smallest ones, which are the leaves. The bee added that trees help organize data so that it is easy to search and manage, for example, in the projects she leads. I praised them for their good answers. Computer trees help effectively organize information so that it is easier to find and use. Let's summarize, children, what we learned today. Trees in computer science are special structures that help organize and store information. They have one main node called the root and smaller nodes called children. Thanks to trees, it is easier to find the necessary data, for example, on websites or during application testing. See you next time.